Good morning. This morning I'm going to show you how to find and then print your student answer documents for your quarterly common assessments in Data Director. You will of course log on to Data Director and then click the Exams tab. The Exams tab will bring you basically to this page. You want to first select the subject area. I'm going to go ahead and choose Mathematics. Make sure that the academic year checked is 2011-2012. Select your grade, and today I'm just going to look for grade 6. You can leave the rest of this empty and then click Search. This will, after it's done loading, bring you a list of all of the exams for which you have been given permission. I am going to go ahead and see here that I have 2011-12 HPS Math 6 Q1 assessment. I'll go ahead and click that. It takes just a moment to load. Once it has loaded, you will scroll down to the bottom of the page, click Answer Sheets with Student Names, and then click right at the top here where it says click the button below to specify the criteria to generate the answer sheets. Continue to the next step. This is the page that trips people up sometimes. All you want to do is select the teacher, your name. I'm going to go ahead and select Jen Mulvihill since I know she teaches a 6th grade math class. Do not select a term. Do not select a grade. Do select the class period or periods for which you want to generate the answer sheets. I know that Ms. Mulvihill teaches a 2nd hour 6th grade, so I'm going to go ahead and select that. If you wanted multiple classes selected, you can hold your Control key down and select multiple periods. In this case, I am simply going to select period 2 and then click Generate Answer Sheet. Now this might take a minute or two. If you know that you can't print the answer sheets off right away, then you might want to click Save and save the file in a location that you can retrieve later to print when you're ready to do so. For right now, I'm going to go ahead and click Open. It might again take just a minute or two to open the file, depending on how many answer sheets are being generated. The larger the file, of course, it might take a few extra moments. Once it opens on your screen, and again this might just take a minute or two, you will see it pop up in a minute. It does come up in an Adobe Acrobat Reader file. I'll go ahead and maximize that. The first page is simply a page of directions, but I would be careful to scroll down and make sure that these are indeed the students that you're looking for. And I see period 2 here and Paul Bentley, and I know that's one of Miss Mulvihill's students. So I'm ready to print. Click the Print button. The Print dialog box will open. Again, it might take just a minute or two, but it will open. And if for some reason it does not open, you can always go to the File menu and down to Print. But just give it a moment. You will want to select the printer where you want to send the document. It's absolutely acceptable and will work fine if you choose one of the copy room printers, either downstairs or upstairs. I'll select this one. The key here, the most important step here, is to make sure that under page scaling it says Fit to Printable Area. Now mine popped up and that was the default. Yours may not, so make sure to select Fit to Printable Area. Make sure that if you're sending this to a copy room printer, before you click OK, that there is paper in the printer or in the copier and that there are no errors on the copier. Make sure it's ready. Once you know that, go ahead and click OK and it will send them to the printer. And that's how you find and print your answer documents for quarterly assessments.